Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you best skill moves, how to change skill moves in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started. So the skill moves is very important. So you can adjust, you can change, even you can purchase a skill moves of your team. So all you have to do right now, just tap your club, tap again the formation here, and try to tap team editing. So this one, the skill moves. So as you can see, this is the skill move that I use, and I think this is the best skill moves, like lane change. Here how you can use this lane change, pretty simple but it's very helpful. And also the ball roll, you can try to use this move. This is a flick up jog, very important. If the opponent tackles you, you can use this. And hard stop, here same with the lane change and ball roll, you can use this hard stop to a pass your opponent. And you can change by tap this, tap change. Here there is a rainbow lane change, step over, you can change it. This is the knock on, and the rest you can purchase in the store. You can go to the store and then here tap the exchanges and this one. So you need 10,000 of gem to purchase this skill move. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.